Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to evaluate the triple integration with the limits 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, 0 to 1 minus x minus y, x into y into z with respect to dx, dy, dz. By seeing this product dx, dy, dz, first you are thinking that you can integrate with respect to x, then with respect to y, then with respect to z. This is totally wrong. You can observe the limits. What are the functions of what? Here 1 minus x minus y is there. Therefore, it must be a function of z. Z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. And remaining x minus y are here. Second interval is 1 minus x. Therefore, it must be y equal to. And remaining x is remained. Therefore, this must be x equal to 1. 0, x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Okay. I will rewrite the given problem as integration from 0 to 1. Integration from 0 to 1 minus x. Integration from 0 to 1 minus x minus y xy dx y z. It is a function of z. Must be there. Like that you have to understand. Two variables are there. Therefore, z must be. And this is y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x only, because two more variables. And here one variable has remained, that is x equal to 0 to x equal to n, outer limit. Therefore, first you have to integrate with respect to z only. Therefore, I will write here dz, then with respect to y, dy, then with respect to x dx I will write. Therefore, I will put one square bracket here, which is to be integrated first. Okay. Now, I will integrate x, y, z with respect to z first, dz. Okay. What is its integration then? Integration from x equal to 0 to 1, integration from 0 to 1 minus x, integration of x, y, z. X, y is constant. Integration of z is z square divided by 2. Between the limits z equal to 0 to 1 minus x minus y. This is for z, correct? Into dy dx as carry that is dz is eliminated after integration. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit for this, and then integrability will check. Integration from x equal to 0 to 1, and this is y equal to 0 to 1 minus x xy into upper limit, and this 1 by 2 constant I will write it outside the integration. Constant I can write outside this one, and z square, that is 1 minus x minus y bracket square. Z is replaced by 1 minus x minus y, minus lower limit z equal to 0. If substitute, it will become 0 into dy dx. Now I have to integrate with respect to y. While integrating with respect to y, xy into bracket 1 minus x minus y, the whole square is there. But if I want to integrate this one, I have to apply the integration by parts formula. To avoid that, what I will do, I will expand this. What I will expand? This term 1 minus x minus y bracket square, I will expand by containing 1 minus x as one term, because while integrating with respect to y, 1 minus x totally treated as a constant. That's why, what is the expansion of this one then? I can write it as 1 minus x the whole square, a square minus a square plus b square, y square minus 2ab, 2 times 1 minus x into y. Correct? I can use this formula, a minus b the whole square, this expansion of this, and y I will multiply to these terms, and then it is integrable will become simple. See here, what I can write is as 1 by 2 times integration from x equal to 0 to 1, integration from y equal to 0 to 1 minus x, x constant as it is. What I will do, this y I will multiply the expansion of this term. What is the expansion of this term is here? Therefore, 1 minus x whole square into y plus y square into y will become y cube minus 2 times 1 minus x into y into this y will become y square. Okay, expansion of this, to avoid one more step, I will written like this here, expansion. Now it is integrable easily with respect to y. Okay, then later with respect to x. Okay, I will put the bracket for this one, which is to be integrated with respect to y. Now what is its integration then? 1 by 2 as it is, integration from x equal to 0 to 1 as it is, and then x also constant as it is, integration of 1 minus x the whole square into y. Again 1 minus x the whole square is constant, and integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2 plus y cube integration with respect to y is y raised to 4 by 4 minus, correct, 2 times 1 minus x into y square integration is y cube divided by 3 with respect to y, into this integration is between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x, and still integration with respect to x is pending. That's why dx I will keep as it is. Okay, in this I will substitute the y is replaced by 1 minus x and lower limit as 0. Therefore 1 by 2 integration from x equal to 0 to 1, x as it is, upper limit replace y is replaced by 1 minus x, 1 minus x the whole square, y is replaced by 1 minus x, 1 minus x raised to square divided by 2 as it is, plus y is again 1 minus x, 1 minus x raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 2 into 1 minus x, and y is replaced by 1 minus x, 1 minus x raised to 3 divided by 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit is y. If you substitute here, y equals 0, 0, 0, all the terms will become 0, into dx will remain. Therefore this term totally 0. Now this is to be integrated with respect to x. Now simplify this. How can I simplify? What is the simplification of this? 1 by 2 times integration from x equal to 0 to 1, x into bracket 1 minus x the whole square, 1 minus x the whole square, 1 minus x raised to 4 divided by 2, plus here 1 minus x whole raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 2 divided by 3 times 1 minus x whole raised to 4 into dx. This integration is also not so simple. Before that, 1 minus x whole raised to 4 I can take common, and some constant also I can solve here as 1 by 2 integration from x equal to 0 to 1, x into bracket 1 minus x raised to 4. If I take common, you will remain with what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3, constant will remain, into dx. If you simplify this one, I am going to get it as 1 by 12. Okay, or by the side also I can show you what is this simplification. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3. LCM is here 12, and 2 6 are 12. Okay, 4 3 are 12, 3 4 are 12. Therefore 6 plus 3 minus 8, 9 minus 1 equal to 1 by 12. This 1 by 12 can be taken outside. This will become 1 divided by 24 times integration from x equal to 0 to 1, x into 1 minus x whole raised to 4 dx. Now to integrate this one, 1 minus x the whole raised to 4 you can expand. That is little bit lengthy. That's why I will use the integration by parts formula. What is that integration by parts formula? Integration of u into v dx. I can use as u into integration of v dx minus integration of v into differentiation of u with respect to x into dx. This formula I can use. Therefore, I am treating this one as u and this one as a v. What is the integration formula then? 1 divided by 24 times u as it is x integration of 1 minus x whole raised to 4 dx minus integration of 1 minus x whole raised to 4 and one more integration of integration dx into d by dx of u. U is the word x into dx. Okay. simplify this. This is between the limits, totally this is between the limits 0 to 1. Okay, still I have to integrate it. What I'll get? 1 by 24 times, okay, x as it is. Integration of this 1 minus x raised to 4 will become 1 minus x raised to 5 divided by 5 into minus 1. Minus 1 is the coefficient of minus x. That's why it is minus 1 here. This is integration of this minus integration of this 1 minus x raised to 4 is again 1 minus x whole raised to 5 divided by 5 into minus 1 as here into differentiation of x is I thought 1 into dx. This is between the limits 0 to 1. Okay, this one I have to simplify here. This one more integration of this I will solve here. 1 by 24 times x as it is 1 minus x raised to 5 divided by minus 5 minus, and this minus of minus I can write it as plus, and this 1 by 5 also outside. Integration of 1 minus x raised to 5 is 1 minus x whole raised to 6 divided by 6, and this minus 1 due to integration of minus x is nothing but minus 1. This is between the limits 0 to 1. Correct? Now substitute the limits and simplify. 1 by 24 times upper limit x equal to 1. This is 1 into 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 raised to 5 divided by minus 5. This is anyhow 0. And for upper limit this also becomes 0. Whereas for lower limit x equal to 0, first term is 0 plus second term what happens? 1 by 5 into 1 minus x, that is a 1 minus 0 raised to 6 divided by minus 6. Okay, this is term is going to remain here. Simplification of this, what I am going to get here is, okay, just I will solve this one. Simplification of this is 1 by 24 times 0 minus of minus plus, and this is 1 divided by 30 I am going to get 1 divided by 30. Therefore it is 24 into 3 is 72. 172 and 0. Therefore my final answer is 1 divided by 720. Like this, in my next videos many more examples of the type change of order and all those things I am going to solve in my next channel. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Share with your friends. Comment. Thank you friends.